Imagine this: you are in your 20s or maybe 30s. Life is good. You're working, earning money, and spending it on things you enjoy. But have you ever thought about what life will be like when you get older? What happens when you stop working? How will you pay for food bills and daily needs? That is where saving for retirement comes in. Saving for retirement means putting money aside today so you can live comfortably in the future when you're no longer working. It may sound boring or far away, but it is one of the smartest decisions you can make. Starting now can change your future completely. Let's talk about why saving early is so powerful. Imagine you plant a small tree today. If you water it and care for it every day, over time, it will grow into a strong, tall tree. The same thing happens with money. When you save a little every month, that money grows slowly, but surely. It is called compound growth, which means the money you save earns money, and then that new money also earns more money. It keeps growing like a snowball rolling down a hill, getting bigger with time. Here is an example. Let us say you save a small amount, like $50 each month. If you start at age 20 and save until age 65, your savings will grow to a big amount. Because of time and growth, if you start later at age 40, you'll have to save a lot more every month to catch up. That is why starting early gives you a big head start. Now you might ask, where do I keep this money? A savings account is a start, but it does not grow very fast. A better option is to use retirement accounts or long-term investments. In some countries, there are special accounts like 401k or IRA, which are made for retirement and offer benefits like tax savings. If those are not available, you can still use simple investment accounts with low-risk plans like index funds or mutual funds. Saving does not mean you stop enjoying life. It just means you spend wisely and think ahead. It is about balance. You can still buy the things you love, but also save a part of your income for the future. One good rule is the 50-30-20 rule. Use 50% of your income for needs like rent and food. Use 30% for wants like clothes or eating out, and save the remaining 20%. You might think saving is hard, especially if you do not earn a lot, but even small amounts matter. What is important is the habit. If you make saving a habit, just like brushing your teeth every day, it becomes easy over time. You can set up automatic transfers, so your bank moves a small amount into your savings every month without you thinking about it. Let us say you skip buying coffee or fast food a few times a week. That money adds up. At first, it might feel like a small sacrifice, but later you will thank yourself. You will feel proud. When you look at your savings grow, you're building your future one step at a time. Some people think they can save later when they earn more money, but the truth is life gets more expensive. As we grow older, people often have families, bills, and health costs. So starting now is easier and better. You will have less pressure in your future. Another thing to think about is freedom. Saving for retirement gives you freedom in your later years. You do not have to work when you're old. You can travel, relax, or spend time with loved ones without stress. Imagine waking up at age 60 and not worrying about a job because you made smart choices when you were young. Some people say, I will never retire. I will work forever. But what if you get sick or tired? What if your job is not there anymore? Saving gives you options. You can still work if you want to, but you're not forced to. It is better to be safe and prepared. Now let us talk about how to start. First, look at your income and expenses. See how much you earn and how much you spend. Cut down on things you do not need and save that extra money. Next, choose a safe place to keep your savings. Try to learn about investment options that match your comfort level. Do not worry if you do not understand everything right away. There are many videos and books that explain these topics in simple words. You can also talk to a financial advisor if you need help, but make sure they are honest and not just trying to sell you something. You can also find free advice online for trusted sources. Keep your goals clear. Maybe you want to retire by age 60 or have a certain amount of money saved. Write your goal down and track your progress every few months. This helps you stay focused. Now let us talk about common mistakes people make. Some people spend everything they earn thinking they will save later, but later often never comes. Others think they need to save a huge amount to even start. That is not true. Start small, start now. Even $5 is better than zero. Another mistake is touching retirement money for other needs. Try not to take it out once you save it. That money is for your future. Only keep it safe and let it grow. Some people also try to get rich quick and lose money in risky plans. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Safe and steady savings always work better than risky shortcuts. You should also protect your savings from inflation. Inflation means prices go up over time. If you just keep money under your pillow, it loses value. That is why investing in the right places helps your money grow with time. Also, keep learning. The more you know, the better choices you make. Watch videos, read articles, and learn about budgeting, saving, and investing. It is not hard, and anyone can do it. You do not need to be a math expert to build wealth. Now, you might be thinking, I am too young to think about retirement, but this is the best time. Your age is your superpower. Time is on your side. Every year you wait makes it harder later.